If you're looking for a fast way to process accounts with Xero and Hubdoc, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to streamline your accounting workflows and save precious time. Whether you're new to the software or just looking for a quicker, more efficient way to manage your accounts, this quick Xero explanation is exactly what you need to get started. Now, one of the best things about Xero is its cloud-based system, which allows you to access your financial data anytime, anywhere, and from any device. But it's when you combine Xero with Hubdoc that you truly unlock the power of efficiency. Hubdoc pulls in all your receipts, invoices, and bills from hundreds of sources automatically, whether it's email, a cloud storage, or even a direct upload from vendors. No more manual entry or chasing down documents. And that's just the beginning. Once Hubdoc has gathered all your documents, it pushes them straight into Xero, saving you hours of manual work. The data is captured and categorized automatically, so you don't have to worry about spending time tagging and entering figures manually. This is a huge time saver if you're processing multiple accounts or managing large volumes of transactions. With Hubdoc, the OCR, optical character recognition, tech reads your invoices and receipts, extracting key information like dates, amounts, and vendor names, which is then matched to the correct accounts in Xero. This integration works seamlessly and allows you to focus on higher level tasks like analyzing your finances or making strategic decisions rather than getting bogged down in data entry. Let's talk about reconciliation, one of the trickiest parts of bookkeeping. In Xero, bank feeds automatically sync with your bank accounts, so all you need to do is match transactions. With the Hubdoc integration, the receipts and invoices that have been processed are automatically reconciled against the relevant bank transactions. This means that your accounts are always up to date without having to manually go through hundreds of lines of data. Now, when it comes to reporting, Xero is an absolute game changer. The software allows you to generate financial reports at any time, and the best part is, those reports are automatically updated with the most accurate data available. Whether you're looking at profit and loss statements, balance sheets, or custom reports, Xero has you covered. And because Hubdoc automates document capture, you can generate these reports with confidence that all your supporting documents are neatly organized and in sync. Xero is incredibly intuitive, which means you don't need to be a tech expert to get the hang of it. The dashboard provides a snapshot of your financial health, and from there, you can drill down into specific details, whether that's viewing transaction history, managing your cash flow, or even processing payroll. Hubdoc fits perfectly into this system, allowing you to upload documents with just a few clicks. I know what you're probably thinking. How can you get started without spending a fortune? The great news is you can try Xero and Hubdoc for free, and not just a short trial either. The link below gives you access to an exclusive extended free trial, along with some bonuses that make getting started even easier. With this free trial, you'll be able to explore all the features that will help you process accounts quickly, all while saving you time and effort. So, if you're ready to streamline your accounting process with Xero and Hubdoc, click the link below to get started with the exclusive free trial. Don't waste any more time on manual data entry. Let the software do the heavy lifting. By the end of this video, you'll know how to take full advantage of these tools to quickly process accounts and focus on the more important aspects of your business. Again, make sure to take advantage of the exclusive extended free trial available through the link below and unlock the full potential of Xero and Hubdoc today.